When it comes to choosing the best tool for data-driven teams, Monday.com and Airtable are two of the top contenders. But which one really takes the crown? I've tried both, and today I'm going to break down the pros and cons of each, helping you figure out which tool is best suited for your team. Stick around, because towards the end, I'll be revealing an even better alternative that could solve some of the issues with both of these platforms. Let's start with Monday.com. Monday.com offers a visually rich, intuitive interface, making it easy for teams to track projects and manage workflows. It's particularly strong for teams who want a centralized space to collaborate, with customizable boards that allow users to track tasks, deadlines, and team progress. The built-in automation options are a big plus, saving time on repetitive tasks. But here's the catch: while Monday.com does a great job with visual tracking, its reporting and data management features are not as robust as some users might need, especially for data-driven teams. Now, moving on to Airtable. Airtable combines the power of a database with the simplicity of a spreadsheet. It's incredibly flexible and perfect for teams that need to manage structured data in a dynamic way. Airtable shines when it comes to its advanced features like relational databases, linking records, and creating views that can display data in multiple formats. However, it can get overwhelming when managing large datasets, and there's a steep learning curve if you're new to databases or if your team is small and doesn't need all those advanced features. Next thing, let's talk about integrations. Both platforms offer integrations with popular apps, but Monday.com is a bit more versatile in this area, especially when it comes to connecting with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. However, Airtable isn't far behind, and it integrates well with a lot of creative tools and developer-focused apps. That said, Airtable's integrations sometimes feel a little less polished, especially if you're working with a lot of third-party tools and need smooth synchronization. The fourth thing to consider is scalability. Monday.com is great for small teams, but scales up incredibly well as your company grows. You can add as many boards and users as you need, and the pricing plans reflect that scalability. Airtable, while flexible, can get expensive if you need more features, and scaling it to fit larger, more complex teams can be tricky, especially if you have teams across different time zones or departments working on very different datasets. Then, let's talk about ease of use. Monday.com is known for its user-friendly design, making it easy for new users to pick up quickly. The learning curve is shallow, and you can hit the ground running with minimal training. Airtable, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve due to its database style structure. While it offers greater customization and flexibility, the initial setup can be a challenge for users unfamiliar with databases. The last thing to mention is pricing. Monday.com's pricing is based on a per-user model, which can add up quickly as your team grows. Airtable offers more budget-friendly options for smaller teams, but its premium features are locked behind higher tiers, which could be frustrating if you need those additional functionalities. Ultimately, both tools are priced competitively, but depending on your team size and needs, one might feel like a better value than the other. Now, while both Monday.com and Airtable are strong options, they do have their weaknesses, especially for data-driven teams looking for deep analytical tools and seamless integration with advanced data systems. After trying both of them, I'd say they both fall a bit short when compared to other alternatives on the market. If you're looking for a better solution that can handle both the data-driven aspects and the flexibility you need, I recommend checking out the free trial through the first link in the description. It's a solution that brings all the best features you've seen in Monday.com and Airtable, with more power under the hood, and I'm confident it'll be a game changer for your team. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial with exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. Give it a try today.